they were stopping.
They weren't stopping until you.
They were stopping, and if we.
This is the one.
Yep.
Five minutes into the hike, bringing up the rear, going straight up. This doesn't feel moderate. Five minutes in, we're struggling already.
Because it's steep the whole way.
And it could be the elevation. We're definitely not ready for half dome anytime soon. So I don't embarrass myself, I'm gonna stop recording for a while until we get somewhere. Taking our first break.
5 minutes in.
Yeah. Had a bunch of people behind us, so we wanted to kind of let them get around us.
My heart is like racing.
Pounding?
Pounding. My mouth's all dry.
Oh. We'll be alright. We didn't come halfway to turn around. Let's keep going.
Oh, I saw what I wanted to see.
What? The waterfall?
Yeah.
Going up the mountain. Taking our time. Oh my God, look at that. It's just no words. I don't know how far we've gotten so far, but stairs are getting pretty steep. I guess this would be considered a halfway point. I was under the impression this was a one-way. I've seen a few people going the opposite way because, you know, the stairs keep going up and up and up. So we're just taking a little break, get a couple pictures, and then we're gonna move on. Going up the side of the cliff. There's a gang of people that said they could do it. So we're making the trek. Oh, look at this. Look at that out there. And we're steady going up. Don't touch your face if you're gonna touch the rail. That's a coronavirus 2020. We made it. Looks like we made it somewhere. I think it's the top of the waterfall. So it was rough. It's not easy. It's oh, you see the top half dome right there. But well worth it. My legs will be burning for days, but I was gonna work out anyway, so there you go. Technically we're on our descent. Sometimes you gotta go up to get down. So
I think I'm gonna die.
let me show you what I see. This is what I see. I'm looking down. My wife should be back. There she is. She should be back there. Here she comes. Here she comes.
Are you talking shit about me?
I would never talk shit about you. I said my wife should be back there. And I said, oh, there she goes. There she is.
There she go.
Majestic. .3 miles. So now it feels like we're going down the mountain. So it says 2 miles to the valley, but this is definitely a harder hike than we did in Zion. Definitely. She says she's over hiking.
I need to stay on flat trails.
You won't be able to see all of this on flat trails.
Yeah, you can. You just can't get up close and personal.
True. But we need to be close and personal. We need to touch the mountain and feel the waterfall.
Yeah, that was nice. Oh my God, look at that.
You hear that wind? still on our descent. It's actually going down now, so it makes more sense. And we still got the whole troop with us, bringing in the rear. So we're still doing good. And we still have trying to get to the valley floor. Still has some pretty amazing views. We run into a little traffic jam. We didn't see people for a while, but now that we're on a descent, we're running into a lot more people. So we just take it nice and slow. We are still descending. I see a sign up here. I don't know what it says, but I think this is where we split before we went up the mountain on the other side to see the waterfall. If it is, this is a good spot. There'll be water and restrooms close by. And nothing. Just more trail. Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. This is where we split. So we're more than halfway done. It's great. You made it. Baby, you did it. You don't look so happy though. Oh yeah, we still got a little ways to go.
Not over yet.
But we did it. We did it. We made it.
All right, good job.